Hi friends, welcome to Charita Creativity. Today we are gonna make some baskets. Materials required: newspaper stick, glue, cutter, paints. Take a newspaper, which should be large one, true size. Fold it half and like this. Then cut this with a cutter. First cut the edge like this, then cut them into the strips. So take one strip and the stick, roll on. Pull the stick out after you paste the glue at the edge, and your stick is ready. And I need flat one also, so I'm folding the strip half and dragging the up one and down one into the middle, and paste the glue over there and paste the up one or down one. You can paste like this and make it a flat one. So I have made some flat and also roll one. Roll one we need more and flat one we need less. Now I am taking a bulkily flat one as the base, and I am rolling the round one like this. Alternatively, you need to round it. At least you need to make this much size. How much large you want, that much large you can make. You need to press it and make this flat up once, and now you need to paste the rolled round ones, and like this you need to paste it to the flat ones. When you are rolling, you need to do this. You need to weave the basket like this. So I have come to the ending. So I'm pasting over the corner. Now I'm cutting the up one, extra ones, and now paste this backward and frontward how you need. And our basket is ready. Now paint it in blue color. I have first painted white. Now I'm doing some design over it. You can do also color. I have colored also. I'm showing only the design how I am making. Take strips, flat strips which you have made. 6 you need to keep down and one flat one horizontally, and in the spaces you need to keep the flat ones again. And now insert the next like this. You need to make it square, and equally you need to keep like this and paste the glue. Now I am taking the round ones. It can fold easily, right? So I am insert same thing how we have made the round basket, same like that you need to make this square one also. Now you need to insert it inside the alternatively you need to make it. So you can see here, tighten it, no gaps should be. Weave the basket like this. Square basket, it looks like this. It should be minimum of 1 hand size height. Now my basket is ready. You can see here I am cutting the extra up ones, flat ones. So after cutting, I am pasting the glue over this, and our basket is ready. I am painting it red. I have already painted white, then I am painting it red. Now I am doing the design. Also I have done color. I hope you like this beautiful and adorable baskets which you can keep it at home with items. Please do like, share and subscribe for upcoming videos. Soon I will be coming with another video. Thanks for watching.